Want to use Google Veo 3 completely free, no credit card, no VPN, no hidden steps? I'm going to show you exactly how to get access in just a few minutes. Let's skip the fluff and get straight to the method. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact process to use Google Veo 3 without paying anything. You'll learn how to unlock the tool through Google's own training platform, generate videos using AI, and even run this on your mobile if you want. It's a clean, simple method that works, no hacks, no fake promises. First, open your browser and search for a Google Cloud Skills Boost. Click on the very first link that appears in the search results. Once you're on the site, scroll down and hit the Get Started button. Now sign in using any of your Gmail accounts. When the new tab opens, click Explore Catalog at the top, and in the search bar, type Generative AI. You'll find a course that's around 48 minutes long. Open that one, and then press the Start Lab button. Confirm you're not a robot, and wait for 2 to 3 minutes while the lab sets up. Once the lab is active, right-click the Open Google Cloud Console button and choose to open it in an incognito window. Click I understand. You've now reached the final setup stage. It's going to prompt you to pick your country. Make sure you select United States from the list. Choosing any other location will cause it to fail. Once you've selected United States, tick the checkbox that confirms you accept the terms of service. Then hit Agree and Continue. That's it. You're officially in. Look over to the left-hand panel of the screen. Notice a sidebar menu. Scroll until you find Vertex AI and click it. Once you expand that section, look for Media Studio listed underneath. Give that a click to dot. Now you'll see a collection of powerful tools ready to go. There's Imagine for image generation, Chirp for voice models, and Lyra for creating music. But the one we care about right now is Veo 3. Find it and click on it to continue. Asterisk. This is where the magic happens. Your main dashboard for building AI-generated videos. The layout is clean and user-friendly. Right away, you'll spot several Veo model options. Keep your eye out for the ones marked with the new label. Those are the ones you'll want to work with. Let's go ahead and select the V3 Fast model. After that, you'll be given the choice to set your video duration, and more importantly, the resolution. Go ahead and bump that up to 1080p for full HD clarity. Now look for a small switch labeled Generate Audio. Turned on, it's essential for adding sound to your video. Now comes the fun part, bringing your idea to life. I'm going to drop in a prompt right here. A wildlife photographer capturing the moment. A lion roars at sunset in the African savanna. Once your prompt is in, hit the Generate button. Since this is a video task, expect a bit of a wait. It'll take longer than the image tools, but trust me, the result is absolutely worth it. And there it is, our finished video. Let's play it. The visuals are crisp, the audio is included, and best of all, there's no Veo watermark anywhere. This is the kind of polished output you've been searching for. To save the video, click the 3D menu on the video player and choose Download. That's all there is to it. This is your ultimate creative hack. No payments, no watermarks, no limits. Just raw, creative freedom. If this tutorial just opened your eyes to a whole new world, do me a favor. Smash that like button, tap subscribe, and drop a comment below telling me what you want to explore next.